Hello boys and girls, how are you today? Now look at your window and tell me, what's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? For example, today it's sunny and windy. What's the weather like today? Look at your window and tell me, please. Okay, thank you so much. And today we have sound lesson. Today we will learn two sounds. And before, tell me, what's the date today? Okay, month is May. And what's the date? And what's the day? What day of the week? What's the day of the week? For example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And what date? Number 6, but what date? The 6th of May. Write in your notebooks. 6th of May. 6th of May. We are writing 6th May, but we are saying the 6th of May. 6th of May. Write in your notebooks to remember how to write the dates. 6th of May, you can write also, for example, Wednesday. But the main, write the date, 6th of May. Okay, and now let's start. Look here. What's the animal, is it? It's a shark. And what sound? Sh. Shark. Sound sh. Okay, now let's listen and repeat.
Sh. Shark. Chef.
Ocean.
Imagination. Goldfish.
Well done. And tell me, what is the letter and what is the sound? For example, shark. What are the letters? We have here not one letter. We have here two letters. What letters? S and H. S and H, we read as, or we say as sh. Not sh. No. Sh. Shark. S and H, we read and say sh. Shark. What is the letter and what is the sound? Look here. Chef. C and H. What letters? C and H. Two letters. C and H, we read as sh. In word chef. In this word chef. Repeat after me. Chef. Well done. Next, what is the letter? Ocean. We have one letter. What letter is it? C. Yes. Ocean. We have C and we read it as sh. Ocean. Next, imagination. We have here two letters. What letters? T and I. And we read as sh. Imagination. Next, goldfish. Again, we have here what letters? S and H. Together, we call sh. Goldfish. Okay, so what is the letter and what is the sound? Letters SH, CH, C or TI, and sound sh. Now in your notebooks, and what other words with sound sh? What other words? For example, shop. Repeat after me. Shop. Sheep. Sheep. Sheep, animal. Sheep, transport. Information. Information. TI. Information. Imagination. Shoe. Repeat after me. Shoe or shoes. English. Short. Finish. Shoulder. Wash. Well done. Now, in your notebooks, write sound sh. How to write sound sh? Write sound and make it like long S, long S, like this. Sound sh. You can write letters. What letters can be? What letters can be? Let's look here. Write letters SH, CH, C, TI. Letters SH, CH, C and TI. Write like this, sound sh. Letters CH, SH, CH, C and TI. And write four words with sound sh, For example, let's write these words in your notebooks. In your notebooks, write it. Sound sh, letters CH, SH, C, TI, and write four words. Chef, ocean, imagination, goldfish, or you can write shark. So we will have CH, C, TI, SH letters with sound sh. Write in your notebooks sound sh, letters, and 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, four words with sound. One more time I will show this. Sound sh, letters, and writing four words. Okay, finishing, and we have next sound. Next sound. Okay, let's read the word. Treasure. So sound j. We had first sound sh, and this sound j. Treasure. Okay, let's listen. Listen and repeat.
J.
J.
Treasure.
Repeating. Usually.
Occasion. Camouflage.
Now, what is the letter and what is the sound? So we have letters S, SI and GE in the end. S, SI, GE. Usually. Occasion. Camouflage. Or treasure. So this is sound j. Now let's look what other words with sound j. Decision. Repeat after me. Decision. Television. Asia. Beige. Beige color. One more time. Decision. Television. Asia. Beige. Well done. Now write in your notebook. Next sound. Sound j. How to write? You can write like this. Like number 3, but long. Sound j. And let's write letters. What letters? What letters in the word? Letters. Letters S, S, I, G, E. Letters S, S, I, G, E. Sound J. Letters S, S, I, G, E. Writing this in your notebooks. Sound J. Letters S, S, I, G, E. And after this we will write some words. Some words. You choose what words. You can write 3 words. 3 words. For example, television. 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 You can write usually, and let's write television usually, and let's write Asia or beige, beige better. Let's write beige. Beige. 1, 2, 3 words. Sound J, letters S, S, I, G, E, and 3 words. Television. Television. You can underline. Usually and beige. Finish in writing. And now let's look at our tongue twisters. But before, let's repeat. Let's again listen and repeat.
Sh.
Shh. Repeat.
Shark.
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 Chef.
Chef.
Ocean.
Ocean.
Imagination. Goldfish.
Repeating. Well done. And next, sound J. Listen and repeat.
J.
J.
Treasure.
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 Treasure. One more time. J.
Treasure.
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 Usually.
Usually.
Occasion.
Occasion.
Camouflage.
Camouflage. Well done. And let's come to tongue twisters. Tongue twister. Number 1 with sound sh. Okay, let's read. I wish to wish, the wish, you wish to wish. But if you wish, the wish, the which wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Now let's read together. Let's read together. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish. But if you wish the which wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Now your turn to read. Now your turn. Are you ready? Start. I wish, but I want. At home, one more time. One more time. Read as fast as you can. It will be your homework. Tongue twister, sound sh. Try to read as fast as you can. Okay, and number two tongue twister, sound j. He measured his pleasure in treasure. Now let's read together. He measured his pleasure in treasure. Now your turn. He measured his pleasure in treasure. Let's read faster together. He measured his pleasure in treasure. One more time. He measured his pleasure in treasure. Okay, well done. So for your homework, read as fast as you can the tongue twisters. And read one more time in your notebook. Sound sh and words, and sound j and words. For today, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you soon.